how to create motion graphics in Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I have an image in the timeline, as you can see. So if you add like a text in normal, like press T and then just write the thing, then it won't work. So you have to add text from this like essential tab. So I'm first just creating a shape. So just create a shape according to your text that it fits. Okay, so after that click on mask with shape. So it will mask your text with shape. So as you can see, if you add text like this, it won't work. So you have to delete the text and add text from essential graphics. So as you can see, we have added the text. Now let's just paste the thing what we have already wrote. So now scale the text, and after positioning it, fit the mask according to the text. So as you can see, our shape has just placed like a mask, and now we're just adding the shape according to the text. So first I'm just dragging a little bit here. Okay, now drag and drop transformation effect on the essential graphics and move the shape in like above all the layer. Then select the text and the effect and make it in a group. After that, you can just position the text in this effect control panel, as you can see. So we are just gonna fade in the text image inside the mask. So for that, first you have to add a keyframe of position. So as you can see, when I'm just dragging this in, the text is fading in. Okay, so we're just adding a keyframe just to look it like fading into the mask. So after doing it, we will add another keyframe just to look that like make that bouncy effect. So in here I will do it a little bit right to make the bouncy effect. So as you can see, now when we hit play, it just bounces. Just let me drag it more far. Okay, as you can see, it's just creating a bouncy effect, which is so cool. So it's like so cool, man. So after that, we have another thing to do. Just select the last keyframe and press ease in. In the first keyframe, just click on ease out, so it makes your animation more smoother. So when we hit play, it's more smoother than before. After that, you can add another text layer by just copying or duplicating this file and move the mask in the like above all the layer. So after that, we're just editing the text named tutorial. So make it just tutorial, and then we're just gonna add another keyframe to the second text to like fade in where the first text just fade out. Okay, so first scaling the text, and then I will also just like match the text with the before text what we had. So I'm just matching it because I've just messed up. So as you can see, when the thing just fading out, the first text, okay, when it's just fading out, we will add a keyframe on there. Okay, so just look at when it's gonna fade out. Okay, we're just adding, and then we will add another keyframe that fading in the second text. So as you can see, it's just fading in, and I will also create a bouncy effect in here. So I will drag it a little bit more where the real position is, and then I will drag it a little bit down and a little bit up in the next keyframe. So as you can see, another last keyframe to make it more bouncy, and we're done. So after we hit play now, as you can see, it's making a bouncy effect. So just let me drag it a little bit more far from each other. so it will make it more smoother, and yeah, it will make more realistic. So let's just hit play now. Boom, bro. As you can see, it creates a cool effect here. So let's make the same thing is out and is in like before, and it's super smooth. So you can also add some SFX with it to make it more realistic, as you can see. So this was a simple tutorial about some motion graphics text in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed our video, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.